Now, good evening, viewers. Today, I'll be discussing on the topic matrix. A matrix is a set of numbers arranged in a rectangular pattern. The arrangement is in rows and columns. The product of the numbers of rows and columns forms the order of the matrix. For example, in a matrix like this, A equal to 648 536. Now, in this matrix has 3 rows. We have 3 rows in this matrix, and the column, look at the rows. 65 is one row, 43 is one row, 86 is one row. Then we have 2 columns. 648 is one column, 536 is one column. So here we have 3 rows and 2 columns. 2 columns. Now in this matrix you can write it as what? This is a 3 times 2 matrix. This is a what? 3 times 2 matrix. Now another example. Let's say we have something like this. B equal to 210 835 124. This is what? A 3 row, 3 column matrix. So this is what? A 3 by 3 matrix. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Then now, I will just be delving into addition and subtraction of matrix. What's done? Alright. So A plus B is equal to 2 3 1 2 plus B, which is, look at B here. B is what? 1 6 7 2. Then we add like this. This one we had with this. So we say open our bracket. 2 plus 1, that's what? 3. 1 plus 6, that's what? 7. 3 plus 7, that's what? 10. 2 plus 2, that's what? 4. So that's the answer for the first question. Then the second question. B minus C. Let's be B. 1 6 7 2. So right. 1 6 7 2. Okay, that. One 672 minus C. This is my C. 8351. 8351. We close our brackets, then we continue. Open our bracket. Now 1 is going to what? Minus 8. So we say 1 minus 8. Then this 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Then 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. Then 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Then the final answer will be 1 minus 8, that's what? Minus 7. 7 minus 3, that's what? 4. 6 minus 5, that's what? 1. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Then we close it. So that's the answer for the second question. Then the third question is like this. We say A plus B minus C. Now we go like this. A, yes, A, 2 1 3 2. 2 1 3 2. Plus B, 1 6 7 2 minus C, 8 3 5 1. 8 3 5 1. Then close. The same thing as what? Open your bracket. 2 plus 1 minus 8. So write 2 plus 1 minus 8. Then again 3 plus 6 minus 3. 3 plus 6 minus 3. Then again 1 plus 7 minus 5. 1 plus 7 minus 5. Then again 2 plus 2 minus 1. 2 plus 2 minus 1. So our final answer will be 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 minus 5. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So that's all about addition and subtraction of matrices. So let's look at multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Let's look at multiplication of matrices. Now, for example, you have something like this. Multiplication of matrices is there's just a law. You do row multiplied by the column. It's just what? Row multiplied by column. Let's look at number 1 example. Number 1. If A equal to 2, 1, 3, 5, and B equal to 1, 4, 2, 3. Question. Find. First question. A, B. Second question. B, A. Now, we solve it this way now. First question. Let's answer the first question. AB. AB is same thing as 2, 3, 1, 5. Multiply 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 4, 3. So we go like this. Row, we multiply this column. So I open my first bracket. So it's going to be 2 times 1 plus 3 times 4. This row, multiply and add this column. Then the next one, this row again, we multiply this column again, this particular column. This row, we multiply this particular column. So we say 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3. 3 times 3. Then this other row, we multiply this column. So we say 1 times 1 plus 5 times 4. Now, this row, we multiply this column. 1 times 2 plus 5 times 3. So here we go. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 3 is 12. So definitely here will be what? 14. Then here, 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. Here will be 4 plus 9, that is what? 13. 1 times 1, 1. Plus 5 times 12 is 20, so here will be 21. Then here we 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 times 2, that's 2. That's 17. So this is our solution for what? AB. Now let's look for what? BA. The answers are going to be different. BA. So we already know, we know that B is what? B is what? 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3. Then A is what? 2, 3, 5, 1. 2, 3, 5, 1. So now let's multiply. So we say open our first bracket. Now, this row, multiply this column. So we say 1 times 2 plus 2 times 5. Then this row again, multiply this other column. 1 times 3 plus 2 times 1. Then this row, multiply this column. 4 times 2 plus 3 times this 5. Okay, this is going to be 2. It's a mistake. Let me erase it. Then we have 4 times 3 plus this 3 times 1. So our answer will now look like this. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So definitely this place will be what? 12. Then here 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 times 1 is 2. So here will be 5. Here will be 4 times 2 8. 8 plus 15 will give us what? 23. Then here 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is what? 15. So that's the solution for this multiplication of matrix. So let's look at another question again, the last question on multiplication of matrix. Now, let's look for another question. If P equal to 312, 231, then Q and Q equal to 1 2 1 2 1 3. Question is that we should find PQ. Find PQ. So we say PQ will be equal to, yes, P 3 2 1 3 2 1. And here is what? Q 1 2 1 2 1 3. So we can say now PQ. Now we say, normally we say row times column. That's how we do it. Okay. Now this row we multiply this what? Column. So we say 3, this 3 multiplied by 1. 3 times 1 plus 2 times 2. Then this row again. This row multiply this other column again. So we say 3 times this 3 times 2 plus 2 times 1. Then this column again, this row again, multiply this. So here will be 3 times 1 plus 2 times 3. So I'm done with that part. Then the next one, this row will multiply this first column. So we say 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1 plus 3 times 2 plus 3 times 2. Then again, 1 times 2 plus 3 times 1. Then again, this column, this row, we multiply this column again. 1 times 1, 1 times 1 plus 3 times 3 plus 3 times 3. Then again, this row, we multiply this. So here will be 2 times 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 times 2. 2 times 1 plus 1 times 2. Then again, this row, multiply this column. 2 times 2 plus 1 times 1. 2 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Then this row, multiply this last final column. 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3. 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3. Close our matrix. Now, let's simplify. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 2 is 4. That's what? 7. 7. Yeah, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8. 3 times 1, 3. Plus 2 times 3 is 6. 3 plus 6, 9. Yeah. Yes, 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 7. Then here, 1 times 2, 2. Plus 3, that's 5. Then here, 1 times 1 plus 3 times 3, that's what? 9. 1 times 1 is 1, plus 3 times 3, 9, that's 10. 2 times 1, 2, plus 1 times 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 1, so here will be 3. Here will be 2 times 1, 2. 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay? Here will be 4. And here 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Then here 2 times 1, 2. Plus 1 times 3. 1 times 3, that's 3. 2 plus that's 5. So that's our final answer. So I think we'll stop here for today. We'll continue with transpose of matrix and inverse of the matrix in our next class. Thank you.